Bangalay Residences by Vela Unvelum Architecture and Interiors in Queenscliff, Australia. Bangalay Residences, nestled in the coastal suburb of Queenscliff, NSW, finds its place within a challenging environment, a narrow infill site bordered by towering four-story brick apartments, with additional units tucked at the rear. The site's constraints, alongside the commanding presence of a mature Bangalay tree and the scale of neighboring buildings, demanded a design that not only maximized space but also seamlessly blended with its urban surroundings. Balancing internal planning needs with external urban conditions necessitated a careful interplay between volumetric spaces and the surrounding envelope. To address these challenges, innovative strategies were deployed to ensure both internal functionality and external aesthetics were met. The building's facade, meticulously crafted, serves as a testament to this approach. Internally splayed windows, thoughtfully integrated, offer tantalizing glimpses of the surrounding vistas, while meticulously arranged windows maintain visual coherence between the neighboring buildings. Moreover, specially designed sliding screens embellish both the street-facing and rear facades, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of the architectural composition. Inspired by the breathtaking coastal setting, the architectural language of Bangalay Residences draws upon the dynamic forms and elements of the ocean. Angular motifs echo the fluidity and energy of breaking waves, while layered sliding screens emulate the rhythmic motion of waves rolling onto shore. The choice of materials, concrete, stone, and sand-colored bricks, pays homage to the enduring strength and rugged beauty of coastal rock formations. Gold metal accents add warmth and radiance, evoking the sun's glow. Furthermore, the incorporation of sand-colored bricks honors the nearby beach and surrounding brick architecture, seamlessly integrating the residence with its natural and built environment. In essence, Bangalay Residences serves as a testament to innovative design solutions that seamlessly merge with its coastal surroundings. By harmonizing with the landscape and embracing its coastal inspiration, it creates a unique and harmonious living environment that celebrates the beauty of its coastal context.